Hi, it's Alex from laughingplace.com here today with a look at a new product from the Disney Showcase collection by Precious Moments. This one is a Mickey Mouse birthday figurine. The actual title of it is Mickey's Birthday Wishes, and this does take 3 AA batteries. You would typically find these at stores where you would actually see one out of the box already on display. We'll take a look at what the unboxing experience is like. So it is in styrofoam, which is taped up, so we'll have to cut that open. And so I always leave one side still taped so it's easy to put back together, especially if you're just displaying it for a limited time and then putting it away to take out later. And then it is also put inside of a bag to protect it. It also comes with a little foam piece between his arm just to make sure that nothing breaks off there while it is in storage. We'll put that away. And here is the figurine itself under the base. And most of these Precious Moments figurines are hand painted. So if you look really close at the details, you'll be able to tell that it was painted by hand. Sometimes the paints will kind of blend a little bit onto one part, but there's quite a lot of detail. I quite like that the cake that he's on has been cut. He's got one of those slices in his hand. You can see the white frosting layer from the center over there. And then, again, a lot of nice details on this cake. On the bottom, it has the Disney Showcase and Precious Moment logos on the battery pack, and there is a hole there where you could, I guess, if you wanted to, secure the battery pack in with a screw, but it's not necessary, and as long as you're not giving this to kids who are too young for it, shouldn't be an issue, which this is resin, so I wouldn't recommend giving it to really little kids. It takes 3 AA batteries, and we'll pop those in and see how the light-up feature looks. And so each of the little candles around the 2 layers of the cake light up, which is really amazing. I don't have time to count to see if there's actually 90, but there are quite a lot of candles on the figurine itself. And this is a lovely figurine. The other Precious Moments piece that the only other one that I've ever owned was sent to us for review as well, and that was this Mickey, the true original 90th anniversary figurine. You can see these are quite different in size, quite different in appeal as well. So this one would be a perfect gift for a holiday or even just a decoration for birthdays in your house, whereas this one is kind of a centerpiece in and of itself since it is 360 degrees. For more details on this one, you can check out our other YouTube video, which we'll link to at the end of this one. And you can check back on laughingplace.com. We'll have a full written review of this Mickey Mouse birthday figurine from Precious Moments. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.